you guys. Alright, let's go on our adventure. Let's go. Don't run, because you will trip and fall. I'm gonna.
That was some good stunts.
It was some good stunts. Good stunting.
I saw you licking a dollar bill. I'm in the graveyard if looks could kill. But murder ain't your thing, you just shoot the thrill. But if you did, put you in my wheel. They say your body is full of shit, but they can't see the blood that we feel. Your body is the voodoo that gives the gifts. I'll give you my, we can take a spin. Never got you, what if you get 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 never got you.
If you do, I will throw you in.
I was just saying, and I smashed it on another roll. But it
Kayla, come away from the grass. High fives. Well done for your help.
possible nuclear explosion drone.
Shh. You guys.
No more
Well
drone
done.
edition.
Look how we ended up hooking it. Isn't that a weird way to hook it?
And to actually work. Now how are we gonna get the hook off of it?
Hold on. Shh.
Are you calling Mum saying, we got the drone? And say to her, Dad, can we get some victory lollies?
Yes.
Can we
Put that rock
Can we have
down.
victory pizza for dinner?
Maybe.
Yes. Pizza! I love the victory.
Don't go near. Don't.
I like the pink. I love the pink water.
Kayla, high
Put your
fives.
hand-
High fives
put your
in.
hand in. Everyone, hands in.
Hold on.
I put my head in. That's actually my
Put
job.
your head in.
Man. Oh, that's what I do. That's what I did at football. I put my head on. Guys,
Whoa, go team!
You don't need to be everything you need to be. No, you just gotta know yourself.
I got the drone, mate. I thought that was gone forever and ever. Now, it won't work. The battery will be stuffed, right? So at best it'll need a new battery. Sorry, at worst, at best it'll need a new battery. But, well, all the electronics in it will be stuffed. They will be shorted. Go. Alright, up here. Come on, boys, up here.
When your world gets heavier at the end of the day,
Come on, you guys,
I'll
hurry up.
be there to carry you. 2 steps toward me to find, 2 arms around you and I will keep you steady when you lose control. Now we have nowhere to hide, baby, just take my advice and be my love. Be my love. Be my love.
Go on then, quickly. But not over there. No, that one there in front of DJ's feet. Team is now standing on it.
Just take it slow, don't rush the night.
Good throw. You have the best throw.
Sure as the
Hey, let's
sun
go.
in the sky. Don't hesitate if you wanna dive in. Be my love. Be my love. Be my love. Yeah. Be my love.
That's sort of like me when I was doing the 1,000 steps.
Come on, little dude. You're doing really well. No, you're not. You're doing really well. Come on. Let's go.
I've got a headache. I've got a victory headache.
You don't need to be everything you need to be. No, you just gotta know yourself. Come run away with me. I know that it's meant to be. Be my love. Be my love.
Come on, Kay. Quick. Come on, quick.
Lost in empty space. When your world gets heavier at the end of the day, I'll be there to carry you. 2 steps toward me to find, 2 arms around you and I will keep you steady when you lose control. Now we have nowhere to hide, baby, just take my advice.
Sorry.
Be my love. Be my
Come on. Kayla, you alright?
I'm gonna victory dance.
Just take it slow, don't rush the night. Sure as
Come on.
the sun in the sky. Don't
Chuck it in the car.
If you wanna die, be my love. Be my love. Be my love. Be my
Success, T-Man.
The best thing ever.
Success.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Best thing ever.
Nice work, T.
Put that down on YouTube.
I will, T-Man. I will.